Hello all, myself Sriniti, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology, Tiruchendur. Here we are going to see about the topic machine learning, which has been a boom in the current upcoming trend that what we learn. So here what is machine learning? It is a subset of artificial intelligence, that is there is a connect between the AI, ML and the DL, that is the artificial intelligence, machine learning and with the deep learning. Here we will be having some set of data which is being predicted with the previous of experienced data sets or the future prediction of the data sets or the current set of available data sets. So we can get with the collected data using this machine learning, and here we have the science of making a computers learn and act like a human by feeding with the raw data. So if we having with the raw data sets, we can have it and we can predict with the future analyzing of a set of data here. And here, as I told you earlier, we have the connect with the artificial intelligence and with the advanced set of learning which comes with the current trending, that is the deep learning here. So here we can see with the taxonomy of the machine learning methodologies, that is the machine learning is having with the three set of learning. One is the unsupervised learning, supervised learning and with the reinforcement of the learning. Here with the unsupervised learning, we have with the term of clusterings and dimensionality of the reduction. Here with the supervised learning, we have with the regression, classification and like regressions we have with the trees and classification will be having with that, and reinforcement learning. Here we can conclude with the real time of the decisions and robot navigations, etc. Here we have the classification between the supervised, unsupervised and with the reinforcement. In supervised learning, we'll be having the label set of data. We can get the direct feedback and with the predict with the outcome in the future data sets. So it will be easy in predicting the future data sets and with the outcome using the supervised set of learning. And in the unsupervised learning, will be having with the no labeled data sets. There will be no data sets and no feedback will be given, and will be having the we have to find with the hidden structure here. And with the reinforcement here, it is a kind of a decision process, and we can make with the reward of the systems and learn series of actions which is being given. And here are the few applications of ML. So where do we use these kind of ML in the marketing sector, social medias, automations, travelings, healthcare, sales and credit and insurance. So the machine learning so plays a vital role in all kind of these applications which indulge in our day-to-day lifestyles. And here is the ML process. The historical data which is having with the features of engineering, they split up with the data sets. There a few training process will be taking out there, and there will be a state of validation and hold out test. So finally they will be getting with the validation of the result or with the compare of models and training results here in the total ML process. So here we can see with the types of machine learning. As I told you, we have the supervised learning, unsupervised learning and with the reinforcement of the learning. Here in the classification of the supervised learning, we have the fraud detection, email spam detection, diagnostics, image classification, and in the regression term we have the risk assessment, score predictions. In the unsupervised learning, the same. In the supervised learning, we'll be having the regression. In the unsupervised learning, we'll be having with the term of clustering. So in the dimensionality reduction, we'll be having with the text mining, face recognition, big data visualization, image recognition, etc. And in the clustering process, we'll be having with the biology, city planning, targeting, marketing, etc. In the reinforcement learning, we'll be having with the gaming, finance sectors, manufacturing, inventories, robot navigations, etc. So this is the complete set of the type of a machine learning. And this is the timeline where is the artificial intelligence, machine learning and the deep learning have been started. So from the artificial intelligence, we have got from the machine learning and the deep learning. So the deep learning, it is a type of a machine learning and artificial intelligence. This imitates the way of human, which is giving a certain type of knowledge which is gathered from the human, and it acts as an important element for the data science also. So the deep learning has been acting as an important element as well as for the data science, and this will be including with the statistics, and it will be predictive predicting with the modeling sets of data also, and it also carries the data engineering as well. So as of now, the deep learning has been with the high tech from the machine learning. So here we can see the difference between the machine learning and with the deep learning. The machine learning, here we give some set of inputs and features being extracted, and there will be a type of classifications, and finally we get with the output. In the deep learning, we have with the same set of inputs which is being featured and extracted and classified in a single way, and finally we get with the output. So here is the type that we have to learn with the difference between the AI, ML and with the DL. As I have told you and clear about the ML and DL, here we have the artificial intelligence, that is a program that can make with a sense or reason which is acting adapted to it. And here we can take with any kind of technique which is enabling with computer and intelligence using the logics and etc. With a kind of a decision tree and with the machine learning of the concepts. So from that artificial intelligence we get with the machine learning and also with the upgraded term of the deep learning. So we can say, in other words, DL is a type of ML and AI. Instead we can say that the subset of machine learning composed with the algorithmic that permit with the software to train itself. So here we can find the complete chart of the robotics, that is the rise of the robotics and AI, that is the connection between the robotics, AI, and from the AI to ML to the deep learning. And here we have the steps which is being followed in the ML. So first we have to find with the defining the objective, we have to collect some sort of data. Either it could be a future predictive, either we should have some sort of set of data which is with the current analysis, or the past future set of data. To find out the future predicting set of data, we have to prepare some sort of data, and we have to select the correct algorithm which is to be applied to predict or get our output of the result. We have to then predict with the test models. We have to test with the models that we have, and we have to train with the models, and we have to deploy. So we have to follow these steps in the machine learning to get the correct output data sets. So the machine learning studies have been indulged with all kind of learning methodologies. So this video would have been useful for you to understand the basic of the machine learning, deep learning and the artificial intelligence, and the connect between these three.